Hello students, here is a long question. For all four circles M, N, O, P, the following four equations are given. These are the equations. If the center of the circle M is joined with the center of the circle N, further center of the circle N is joined with the center of the circle O, center of the circle O is joined with the center of the circle P, and lastly the center of the circle P is joined with the center of the circle M, then these lines form the sides of. So here we have these figures and we need to find what will happen if the centers of all these circles joins each other's center. So the center for M is 0 comma 0 because it is a simple circle equation. The center for N becomes 1 comma 0, the center for O becomes 1 comma 1, and the center for Y or P becomes 0 comma 1. Now if we look over here, these will form a very simple structure over here, that is the structure of a square. All of them, that is all points, that is these distances, will have equal magnitude and they will be equal to 1. So we know that whenever these sides have equal magnitudes and all the angles between them is 90 degrees, so the structure that we get is a square. So option B is the correct answer. Thank you.